picture you are able to see two circles. The inner circle is hardware, the outer circle is software. Means to say, what is not hardware is software. But actually, this software is also divided in some more circles. Today my teaching is on operating system. An operating system is system software that manages computer hardware, system resources, and provide common service for computer programs. Once again, topic is operating system, and on left side you are able to see this icon which is known as Windows operating system. On right side, this is for Linux operating system. This iOS, and this symbol nowadays very common in every smartphone known as Android operating system. What are the different types? Mac OS is a series of graphical user interface based operating system developed by Apple. Linux is a Unix-like computer operating system. Microsoft Windows is a series of graphical interface operating system developed by Microsoft company. iOS, iPhone is a mobile operating system developed by Apple. Android is a Linux-based operating system designed primarily to touchscreen mobile. These are what difference between operating systems. In computer, Windows operating system is widely used, but it is proprietary software. Linux is freeware software. Android used in smartphones. We are also aware about Mac operating system and iOS. You can see from this picture, operating system is handling printer, mouse, monitor, all apps, applications, hard drive. The arrows are from in both the direction. That is, operating system is the most important, handling everything into the computer. Here also, this is the hardware layer. Just after hardware, the first layer, which is known as software, as I shown in first picture, is operating system. I said what is not hardware is software. Now that software is divided into next layer and next layer. So this operating system is also software. First interface after hardware. Above operating system, software is available are application software. And this is we user using all the applications software, or you can say apps in smartphone. This is the best picture according to me. Here hardware is there, the inner layer, which is showing it's a CPU, RAM, disk, printer, etc., which we can touch. Again, what is not hardware is software. The most important layer after hardware is operating system, which is also known as system software. Utilities, which is also known as system software. Translator, which is not mentioned here, that is also system software. Interpreter and compiler, which is nothing but translator, and that is also system software. Above this white layer, this layer is application software. Spreadsheet, that is Excel. Word processor, that is Word software. Databases, that is MS Access or OpenOffice based software. Web browsers, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, that comes in this layer. All the games, computer games, known as application software. Even this layer is also having programming software. So, this layer which users are using here is application software and programming software. When you start your computer and when you are able to see a desktop screen after few seconds, this screen is Windows operating system desktop screen. This screen is most probably for Ubuntu Linux operating screen. And this particular screen, or you can say desktop, is for the Mac operating system. So, dear friends, this operating system widely used are three common operating system. One is Windows, the screen I have shown to you. Another is Linux, that screen also have shown to you. And third is Mac operating system. And Android. All smartphone users are having Android inside, which is also Unix like, Linux like operating system. That is inside kernel, and this kernel is also available in Linux operating system. All hardware belongs to any computer is operated using operating system. All applications working in computer also available to you through operating system. So operating system is most important, like in one organization, like in one school, as one path, as a one principal. The way principal is operating whole school, responsible for whole school. Similarly, operating system is working in one particular computer. Thank you.